Having trouble with Amex Pay? You're not alone. Here are a few quick steps to get your Amex Pay back on track. First, check the system status on the American Express website or social media. Sometimes it's just a temporary outage. Second, make sure your device is compatible. Check the list on the American Express website. Third, update your software. Both your device's OS and the Amex app need to be up to date. Fourth, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if you need to. Fifth, try re-adding your card. Remove it from the digital wallet, then add it again. Sixth, restart your device. A simple reboot can work wonders. Seventh, check for app conflicts. Uninstall any recent apps that might be causing issues. Eighth, review your transaction limits. Make sure you haven't hit any caps set by Amex. And finally, if all else fails, contact American Express support. They can help with specific account issues or regional problems. Remember, keeping your app and device updated is key for smooth transactions.